Looking to upgrade your home security? In today's video, we're breaking down the best smart locks for front door setups that combine convenience, style, and advanced protection. Stay tuned to see which options are worth installing on your home. Number 1. Keyless Front Door Smart Lock. The keyless front door smart lock is an excellent choice for anyone seeking a versatile, secure, and user-friendly access control solution. Tailored for homeowners, property managers, and short-term rental hosts, this smart lock makes managing property access a breeze. One of its standout features is the ability to generate passcodes remotely without an internet connection, which is particularly helpful for Airbnb or VRBO hosts managing guest check-ins. Its advanced 3D fingerprint recognition system unlocks the door in less than 0.3 seconds, adding both speed and reliability to your home security setup. This model offers 6 convenient ways to unlock: fingerprint, passcode, wireless key fob, access card, smartphone app, and traditional key, ensuring flexibility for users with varying preferences. Installation is refreshingly straightforward, requiring just a Phillips screwdriver and no additional drilling, while its reversible handle suits both left and right-handed doors. The lock operates on 4 AA batteries, offering up to 1 year of power before needing a replacement, so maintenance is minimal. For those looking to control access remotely, pairing the lock with the optional Safely Wi-Fi gateway enables full remote control, real-time access log viewing, and code management from anywhere via the app. Number 2. Lockzo Front Door Smart Lock. The Lockzo Front Door Smart Lock brings cutting-edge innovation to home security, combining a video doorbell, smart fingerprint lock, and 2K HD camera into a single sleek device. What truly sets this model apart is its comprehensive feature set and high-tech integration. It offers 6 different unlocking methods: mobile app, fingerprint sensor, keypad, Alexa, Google Assistant, and traditional key, providing versatility for modern households. The AI-powered fingerprint sensor stores up to 50 fingerprints, granting fast, reliable access for families and frequent visitors. Its 2K HD camera, with a 180 degrees wide-angle lens and f/2.0 aperture, ensures crystal-clear visibility at all hours, aided by 6 built-in infrared lights for night vision. The Lockzo Smart Lock's 2-way audio system enables homeowners to communicate with visitors from anywhere via the dedicated app, making it especially convenient for handling deliveries or unexpected guests. Dual motion sensors, incorporating both PIR and radar detection, can sense movement up to 6 meters away, promptly sending alerts and capturing 15-second video clips stored directly to your phone. The video doorbell receiver can detect activity from up to 20 meters and offers adjustable volume with 36 ringtones to choose from, adding an extra layer of customization. Beyond its impressive technology, this smart lock is built for durability, featuring weather-resistant construction and easy DIY installation compatible with standard door setups. For those looking to upgrade their home's entryway with modern features like high-definition video, smart notifications, and multiple unlock options, the Lockzo Front Door Smart Lock is a highly recommended choice. It's ideal for homeowners who value security and convenience equally, combining advanced technology with a straightforward, user-friendly interface. Number 3. Eufy Front Door Smart Lock. The Eufy Front Door Smart Lock is a dependable and intelligently designed option for those wanting a seamless blend of security, convenience, and smart home integration. One of its most appreciated features is its built-in Wi-Fi capability, removing the need for an additional bridge or hub. This allows homeowners to lock and unlock their doors remotely, receive real-time notifications, manage access codes, and view event histories from the Eufy security app, whether at home or away. It offers 6 unlocking methods: fingerprint, Eufy app, keypad, physical key, Apple Watch, and voice commands through Alexa or Google Assistant. Its fingerprint recognition system is self-learning, becoming more accurate with each use, reducing frustration and ensuring quick entry. Speed-wise, the fingerprint sensor unlocks in less than 1.5 seconds. Battery life is another strong point, lasting approximately 8 months on 8 AA batteries, depending on usage. Installation is simple and tool-free beyond a standard Phillips screwdriver, compatible with most US and Canadian deadbolt setups. Eufy emphasizes both durability and reliability, with the lock rated to function in extreme temperatures from -22 degrees Fahrenheit to 158 degrees Fahrenheit and featuring IP53 water resistance. The integrated alarm system alerts homeowners of tampering or unauthorized access attempts, adding a valuable security layer. For users already within the Eufy ecosystem, this smart lock seamlessly connects with other Eufy devices like video doorbells and security cameras, making it easy to monitor and control multiple entry points. Overall, the Eufy front door smart lock is an outstanding choice for those seeking modern features, dependable security, and hassle-free setup, particularly for users interested in smart home compatibility without complicating their setup with extra equipment. Number 4. Veise front door smart lock. The Veise front door smart lock is a feature-packed, flexible solution for homeowners and rental property managers seeking reliable access control. This 7-in-1 smart lock offers an impressive variety of unlocking methods, including fingerprint, mobile app, web portal, key fobs, keypad code, aqara sharing, and a mechanical key for emergencies. The management options available via the Veise app and web portal are exceptionally user-friendly, allowing owners to remotely generate aqaras, manage user permissions, and monitor access history from any location. This is particularly convenient for landlords, Airbnb hosts, or families with frequent visitors. The lock supports up to 50 fingerprints and 250+ user codes, with the ability to create one-time, permanent, scheduled, or recurring codes to suit any situation. Security is well addressed with features like auto lock, one-touch locking, privacy mode, and a low battery alert, plus a sturdy anti-peeping, anti-hacking touchscreen keypad. The design also includes passage mode for high-traffic times and a durable construction built to handle daily use. Home automation enthusiasts will appreciate the smart home integration options available through the Veise G2 gateway. Sold separately, the Veise smart lock balances modern convenience, smart security, and thoughtful management tools in a straightforward, reliable package. Number 5. Veise fingerprint door lock. The Veise fingerprint door lock is a straightforward, efficient solution for homeowners looking to enhance security with fast, reliable access control. This 4-in-1 smart lock provides entry via fingerprint, passcode, one-time codes, and a mechanical key. Its advanced fingerprint sensor identifies registered users within 0.3 seconds, unlocking the door in just 1 second with a 99.99% recognition rate, making it one of the fastest in its class. Certified to ANSI Grade 3 security standards and built with IP54 weatherproof protection, this lock is designed to handle harsh conditions, functioning smoothly in temperatures from -31°F to 158°F. The keypad and durable handle are suitable for both residential and rental property use. It also includes thoughtful features like auto lock, which can be set to engage within 10 to 99 seconds, ideal for those who prefer simplicity without sacrificing speed or protection. The Veise fingerprint door lock offers essential smart locking features at an affordable price point. Like the video, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon.